My mother has never been this devoted to me.
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Leave it. Talk to me. 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 Talk to me.
Come on, puppies. Puppy. Come on. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, he's fine.
Rose says, come here, you want me? She's gonna try to nurse you. Oh no. Oof. Waylon knows that.
He's playing piano. Get back up there. Go on.
this is love. So this is love.
Flash, what are you doing?
Go in.
五条高，俩5条还。
Whiskey. Smile. Smile.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
크게 착각하고 있어. 내 생각엔 왕자, 내 생각엔 왕자.
Don't consider tonight, sir. Hey. Hey. Don't even think about it, Mr. Sir. Texas. Texas? Really? You took it all.
Smooth operator. Smooth. Smooth.
She likes it with Cody.
Jesus Christ.
Almost looks like he's petting her.
No, yes.
Philby's just out. He's like, oh wait, was I getting licked? Oh, pardon you.
Something happening?
Oh, I need to sneeze.
Maximus. Maximus.
What's the problem, Coda? You don't like pancakes? It's a pancake.
Nico hungry.
So the owners told me that one dog is clingy and one dog is chill.
Good boy. Good boy. Good sit. Hey, buddy.
Come on, Jaxie, let's go, baby!
I wish I was a vet.
Oh, look at that.
Hello. Doggy.
Quem rasgou a caminha? Fala pra mim. Quem rasgou a caminha? Senta. Senta.
No, I'm not. No, I already went. Yeah, no.
Zach is going to attempt to get Copper out. And Copper pushes away every time he tries to get him. You okay? Oh, the cat. Yeah, she's annoying.
No.
Tranquilo. Quieto. Quieto. ¿Te parece bien hacerte catalogado a tu padre?
Puppy, puppy! Come on, puppies! Good boy! Come on! Yeah! Come on! Good puppies! Yay!
What is that?
Oh, here. That's all you wanted? Okay, get under there.
There you go.
All right, you good to go.
He insists to do this every time after a bath, for the love of Pete. Good grief.
This dog keeps throwing his toy over the fence like this. So I'll pick it up and throw it over. I'm good to leave, right? Gonna go home? No. Drops it again. I can't just leave the toy. He's got me trapped. I'm gonna be here forever. Stop it. What are you doing? Hi. Okay.
So she's very tiny.
I know. She's a miracle cat. Aren't you, honey? Blue, get your nose out of there. Get your nose in here.
Come.
I am a genius.
Thank you for being my friend. That's it. That's the whole video.
Solamente en Cristo.
En Cristo, solamente en Él, la salvación se encuentra en Él, no hay otro nombre dado a los hombres.
Stop doing that. Stop. If you don't want it, leave it alone.
Are you hiding?
Oh. Yay! They were not in her face. Not in her mouth, anyway. Okay, Dua, okay.
Ya, velo, ya. Ya. Creo que cuando regreses ya... ¡nos vas a perder!
just have to step inside of it.
You cannot hide under the blanket. Method. Your cuteness is not going to save you from the harness. Come on. What? I guess you're not coming then. Rue nothing.
Ready to do some tricks? Go under. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, so fast. High five. Very good. Can you woof? Good boy. Can you go around me? Very good. Back up. Back up. Lay down. Be sneaky. Be sneaky. Can you roll over again? Oh, very good. High five.